You know, sometimes those of us that do YouTube have no idea what we want to make as far as videos goes. And then there are the videos that we've wanted to make for a long time, but it just wasn't feasible. And honestly, this GoTech is making this one possible. You read the title, you know what we're doing today. So, I want to thank Phil's Computer Lab. He has some great resources when it comes to, well, everything. He had a great tutorial on his website on how to use a GoTech. He had the software, a link to the software, and he also has this sheet that allows you to write out, you know, what's on the disk. So I'm going to need to take this to number 1. Something ain't right. VGA cable came loose. Apparently I never tightened it up. That would explain a lot. Alright. Now let's get to this. And yet I have another computer with its guts all out on the desk. Alright, so I need this to be on number 1. So this is a 66 megahertz with 8 megs of RAM. 512 megabyte compact flash drive, which I was having a problem getting it to work, so that's why it's out on the table. Let's just skip those. Let's go into, I want A and then C. Alright, so that should enable me to work. I need to find the original cage so I can put that back in there. I don't know why it does the memory test 3 times, but we'll find out later. Well, now what if I leave it on number 0? Will that work then? If not, I could try doing number 2, see if that'll work. There's no CD-ROM, so there's no sense in starting it with CD-ROM support. I could download another. It claims that that's supposed to be a Windows 95 boot disk on number 1 when I downloaded it. If need be, I could download another 95, but do I have the software with me? So let me go to number 2. Well, actually, let me. Yeah, that's a FAT16, so that should be fine. Oh yeah, it is a Windows 95 partition, so it should be fine. I just want to delete what's on there. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and so we're going to switch to number 2. 3. Oh no! I know exactly what I screwed up. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to do my best to explain what just happened here. And also how I need to fix it. So when you manually slide files over, let me just pick a disk all the way back here. Let's pick disk 99. So if I go into here and E, I have nothing to hide on here, so I'm not worried about it. Just say I take, I don't know. Actually, I'll go into, there's definitely something on number 1 here. Man, I'll just take this this driver here, and then you hit Control C, and then you hit Control V. So it'll go on to floppy 98. Now, unless you hit save, it does not actually save it. So, but when you go into here, and I'm going to make write image file. I'm going to go to desktop. I thought it'd be funny to name this computer Eat Me because it's pissing me off. And I go into Windows 95. And so disk 1 was supposed to be my 95 boot. So when I hit open, it's going to put that on there. Now what I did is I hit save and it went back to the old files. So I need to do number 2. There's going to be disk 1. I don't remember. 3 is going to be disk 2. And I think 4 was correct. Yeah, 4 was correct. So now I just don't do anything except exit out of here, and then I do that. So now we'll go back to this computer. Alright, so now that we have that fixed, I'll put this in, and then I'll switch it up to 1. Now, theoretically, and by the way, if you're wondering what that blue light is, it took me a few minutes to figure it out looking in the video. It's my microphone. So now this should boot Windows 95. I have to go all the way up to number 22 on here. Set up now, hit enter. I don't already have one. I have this compression program. Oh, it's probably... Now, will this allow me to go into F disk, or is it going to reboot the computer? Please actually be on there. So 4, we're going to oh. 3. 1 Win95. Are you sure? Yes. One. We're going to use the whole. We're going to use the whole 500 megs. It's a 512 megabyte compact flash card. So it should be alright. Oh, this is a plug and play BIOS. That's cool. Oh, I guess it does have PCI slots, so that is in the realm of that. So in case other things don't work, I do have a backup plan on here. How is it saying that I have a disk compression on it? F3. 3. So I'm going to go to number 23. And do it this way. Maybe this is why I'm glad I put a backup plan on here. But I'm not already running a version of DOS. Alright, so I might have to just make a basic Windows 95 disk? I really don't know. I guess I'll have to connect this computer to my computer or my phone again. Alright, let's go into that. Okay, so it's not. So maybe okay, so alright, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna let it boot from the disk and see what happens now. I don't know if you saw that, but it said that the file system was unknown, and then I just did a format on it, and it seems to be, well, I guess we'll know momentarily if it's okay. let me get back when I actually had enough internet on. Okay, cool. So I'll shut that back down. I'll turn off my Wi-Fi hotspot. And then we'll just sit here and go disc by disc, I guess, right? Crap, I don't have a mouse. Oh well, we can do what we gotta do by keyboard command, because I don't know where I have a serial mouse right now. Does this even have a... This computer doesn't even have a hard drive light. I need either a PS2 to serial adapter, or I need to find my serial mouse somewhere in that mess over there. I'm going to speed up this footage now. Alright, it shows that it's done. And I guess we'll find out. Starting Windows 95, getting ready to run Windows 95 for the first time. I have not ran Windows 95 on a 486 in so long that I don't know what to expect at this point. I'm talking to some of my friends on Snapchat about what I'm doing. One of them's a mechanic, and he found a D&D die in somebody's car. I'm like, I'm not making fun of anybody that plays D&D. Don't take it that way, but I'm like, of course, a D&D nerd. And then it's like, yeah, you're literally calling this guy a nerd while you're, or calling this guy a nerd while you're literally installing, you know, Windows 95 floppy version. You know, I'm not making fun of anybody. It was just, I just thought it was funny. Yeah, I don't have a mouse. I need to, you know, do something about that. So, we'll see how this, what we can do without it, without the mouse for right now. I don't know, because it's been a while since I've used it on a 486. I don't know how slow to expect this to be. So I think it was a Friday, no, it was Saturday. I had placed the order on, or for that desk mat from lttstore.com. I got a tracking number the next day, but it still isn't showing shipped. And today is Thursday. I don't know if it just has something to do with UPS, a UPS thing in Canada or not. I'm not blaming them for anything. But we'll it is pretty sluggish, but so today is August 2021. Wow. And today is what, the 26th? Yeah. And it is in fact 14, so that would be 2:48. That's not too far behind. And I don't have a printer. And now it's going to restart my computer. I think it's going to be a lot better than I remember it being because of the compact flash card being so much faster. But we'll see. This GoTech is cool, man. So what I have on here, in case the 95 didn't work, I had DOS 6.22, all 4 disks, and then I had all 8 disks of Windows 3.11 that we could use. This never asked me for a product key. And I went down, or printed out like every Windows 95 product key known to man, just in case the 1111 didn't work. Oh crap, I said. This is actually pretty responsive. Yeah, like it's pretty. Oh, I can't. So what in here does or does it not recognize? Oh, it recognizes everything. Recognizes the disks, some sort of Cirrus logic, floppy, hard drive, keyboard, monitor. I don't expect it to know this one. And then it's got all this stuff. I guess we'll go into control panel this way. I was trying to get it to do the right click on there. So we are, the best that this will do is 800 by 600. Yeah, I want to keep that. That looks so much better. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a Cirrus Logic 4.0. It's not giving me the exact thing. I can't go into sounds or anything because I don't have anything hooked up. Yeah, so this is way more responsive than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting to immediately want to oh yeah, let me go into my computer. I want to see. Wow, we've only used 39 megabytes out of 447 megs. That's hilarious. That's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and order the adapter to, use this mouse on it, and we'll see what happens from there. Should I keep it this way? Should I keep it with the floppy version of 95 installed? Should I put Windows 3.1 on it? What should I do with this? Let me know down in the description below, or in the comments below. I want to see what is Waffles Revenge. I can't explain to you why, but I have to have that one. So yeah, I just want to see what all's on here, because like I've never tried let's see. Oh, I accidentally hit caps lock at some point. I keep reaching for a mouse. So let's hit preview. Maybe that'll end up, maybe this will end up in a updated part of my my intro, because I'm getting ready to upgrade that one, because that's obviously has winter stuff in it, and we're almost at the end of summer. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. Alright, I can't really think of much else to talk about on this computer. I'm kind of amazed that this worked. I'm really glad it did. So, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For a little bonus footage here, I had the microphone off my shirt. I want to talk about this right here. Listen to this wonderful power switch. That power switch is amazing sounding, ain't it? Now, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.